Hi guys, in this particular video I'll be showing you how to use water, just water, to cure any type of sicknesses, any type of ailment. Water and salt, any type of illness, any type of diseases, any type of affliction. How to use it to pray for speedy answer, how to use it to ask for anything you so desire. How to use just a glass of water, just a glass of water guys, just a glass of water. So guys, before we continue, if today is your first time tuning in or see my face, you are highly welcome. You're welcome. Please do it by hitting on the red subscribe button so you can be part of. Also, you can join our wonderful, amazing family. So guys, I've been getting a lot of complaints on some kind of sicknesses, even if it's spiritual sicknesses. This particular remedy works for both physical and spiritual sicknesses, causes or spell of any kind that is holding you back. If you're a type that you know that you have been doing well, you notice a strange disease just came upon you and you cannot move forward in life, you notice that there's something holding you back. You know, a lot of people mistake a certain things for physical problem. A lot of people mistake some spiritual thing for physical problem. Why some people mistake some physical thing to a spiritual problem. I have a lot of people on my DM that will tell you that they have some strong, uncurable sickness that we already know about. And I'm here to share a perfect remedy that can work for you. Please, if you are doing this with faith. If you know you don't have faith, please don't watch. Yes, not even don't do it. Don't watch, because you are just wasting your airtime or, like say, data watching this. Just do not watch. If you know that you don't have faith to do this particular remedy, all you do is to get a glass of water. Yes, get a glass of water. Add a pinch of salt inside that glass of water. Start saying your problem, start saying your sickness, start confessing your sickness, and also pray for solution, pray for recovery, pray for total breakthrough, pray for grace, pray for miracle, pray for quick recovery. Once you hold that water in your hand, start saying whatever you so desire. Like I said, this particular remedy works on your faith, what you believe in, your faith, what you actually believe in. That's why most times you go to some churches that sells water. That particular thing inside that plastic is just water, but it's actually prayed on. What will actually make that particular water work for you is the faith you are having in buying that particular water. Yes, there is power in water. Water on its own, there is power in water. You can also add salt inside your bathing water. Pray. If you're having any skin disease, skin infection, or anything, also pray inside that water every day. Make sure you speak words inside bucket of water. Anytime you are bathing with your bucket of water, you can add salt inside. Speak words into it. Say whatever you so desire. As I'm using this, let all this affliction end. As you are, like I said, this is for people that is experiencing physical or spiritual disease. This particular remedy has worked for so many. Like I said, if you do not have faith, don't bother doing this particular remedy. This particular remedy works with your faith and the power in water. If you don't have that faith, forget it. Just don't say, I want to try my luck, whether it will work for me. Just leave it. Don't even try it. If you are having any internal infection or internal disease or internal affliction, once you pray inside that water and you added your salt, you drink it, and drink it with faith. Keep consistently doing this. Consistently. It's not something that you do and stop. It's something that you keep doing. You keep doing. As time goes on, you notice that that particular thing is out of your body. If it's anything, any sickness of all kind, physical, spiritual, like I said, it works perfectly well. It is strong. Water is strong. Water is powerful, guys. Water is strong. Water purifies. Water refresh. Water revive. In fact, water is the symbol of Holy Spirit. Water is life. Water is life on its own. It depends on how you use it. It depends on how you speak words into it. It depends on what you say with the water or what you do with water. You will notice that everything we do in this life, you cannot skip water. You cannot. Water is powerful. Just respect water on its own. Without water, I don't think anybody can live. Please guys, do this with faith and pray that God uses this simple remedy to liberate you of whatever you might be facing, whatever thing that you believe that you have been crying for is not working out. Do this particular remedy. I'm so certain that you come back and testify that this simple remedy worked for you. So guys, we're actually done on today's video. Hope you learned something. If today is your first time seeing my face or watching me, please hit on the red subscribe button so you can join us. Also try to turn on your notifications so you will receive notification from us whenever there's a new upload on this channel. So guys, I'll see you on my next video. Bye. Remain blessed.